kids, welcome back to another day, and today we are going to learn a new letter and a new sound. So do you remember your old words, old letters and your old sounds? Which letter is this? D. And what does D say? D. Which letter is this? B. And B says? B. D and B. So today we are going to learn the new letter, that is F. F. And the small f is written like this. You jump backwards, go down standing line, take a turn backwards. And sleeping. Okay? F. And F says F. F says F. F says F. 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 What swims in the water and eats worms? Fish. F. F. Fish. F. F. Fish. F says F. 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 Fish. So fish starts with fish. Fish. So F. Okay. Now the fish swims in water. And what does water do? When there is a fire, it puts it out. So F for fire. F for fire. For fire. F for fish. F for fire. Okay. Now let us think of any other animal with F, 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 F. It's a very cunning animal. F for fox. Very good. F for fox. It is a wild animal. It lives in the jungle. F for fox. Fish. For fire. For fox. Okay. Now F, we have some few body parts of F. Think. Come on. Your eyes, your nose, your mouth and all is there on it. F for face. F for face. F for face. F for face. Now there is one more body part and I use that to hold my pen, my book. I use that to eat my food. Fingers. F for fingers. F for fingers. So for fish, for fire, for fox, for face, for fingers. Now what else? When I feel hot, I put it on. It's there in my house. F for fan. Okay, now teacher is going to draw the hand fan. We also have the hand fan. F for fan. So F for fish, for fire, for fox, for face, for fingers and for fan. Now children, when you go to a garden or around a building, to show this much is the building's place, there is a fence. There is always a fence. A fence means a border around any place that tells you this place is closed for outsiders. F for fence. F for fence. So that nobody can jump into that place. There is always a fence. F for fence. So F says for fence, for fish, for fire, for fox, and for face, for finger, and for fan. Okay. shall we see how to write the F in your books? Are you all ready? Good. So let us see. So we shall first begin by writing today's date, 2-3, that is 23rd-9-20. Okay. Now how do you write the letter F? Now this letter is very unique. You don't write it from the red line to the blue line, but you write it from the red line to the red line. Okay. So you start from the red line, a jump, go back straight, standing line, take a turn and go backwards. And a sleeping line. Letter F. F says F. A jump, go straight, standing line, go down, 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 touch the red line and take a turn and a sleeping line. Once more, a jump, go down straight, standing line, take a turn, go back and the sleeping line. F. A jump, straight, standing line, go down, take a turn, F. And the sleeping line is on the first blue line. So you will say F and write the full page. Now let us draw the pictures. F for fish, one jump like this, another jump from down, a slanting line, and the eyes and the fins. So F for fins are also there. The fish has F for fins. The F for fish has F for fins. And which other animal is there? The fox. You write a V, close it on top, 2 ears, 2 eyes, 1 nose, and the whiskers. F for fox. Now, what is hot and you're not supposed to touch it? Fire. F for fire. F for fire. Okay. Now, what are the body parts? F for face. F for face. For face. So what do you write? You hold your pencil with your for fingers. For fingers. Okay. So for fish, for fox, for fire, for face, for fingers. What else is there? For. What else did teacher tell you? For fence. For fence. The one which you find around your gardens, around your buildings. For fence. Okay, so we have for fish, for fox, for fire, for face, for fingers, for fence. And what do you use when you feel hot? You fan yourself. For fan. One standing line, slanting line, and a jump, and you do slanting lines like this. So that gives you the fan. So for fish, for fox, for fire, for face, for fingers, for fence, and for fan. Okay children, happy drawing and keep learning. Bye-bye.